So if you're looking to upgrade to LEDs or you just need some spare bulbs, check out EVELOR. This is a 6-pack of A19 LED bulbs, and these are 9 watt, and it's comparable to a 60 watt bulb, except you're going to save a ton of energy if you switch to these. And these are 800 lumens, so nice and bright. And this is a daylight, and it's dimmable, 5000 Kelvin. And they also sell a 2700 Kelvin, which is more of a yellow light. This is a nice daylight white light, which is kind of what I like. So let me show you what you're going to get in the box. And these things are packaged really, really well. You can see they have them all nicely separated, so they're not going to touch or ding each other during shipment. So they're coming to your house nice and safe. I'll show you one of the bulbs here. And this is basically your standard bulb size. So this is pretty much anywhere a bulb will fit, this will fit in there, because here's the EVELOR logo. So I'll tell you what we're going to do. We're going to go over here and we're going to put it in a lamp and give it a little test. So I have one here in a little lamp holder just to kind of show you how bright these are. And I'll turn it on and give you a little test. You can see it is quite bright. And like I said, a very, very natural white light. And these are 800 lumens, so these are really, really bright. This is the equivalent of a 60 watt bulb, so you kind of get an idea. Like I said, they do sell a 2700 Kelvin one, which is more of a yellow color, but I really like the kind of the natural white light. So if you've been looking for some great LED light bulbs, check out EVELOR. This is their 6-pack. Pretty much has everything you want. 9 watts, energy saving, equivalent of 60 watt bulb, and it's a nice 6-pack. So you really can't beat the price on these. Check them out.